Hi everyone, my name is Daniil, and I'm the lead of the Game Modes and Maps team.
I'm Danila, a game designer, and today we'll talk about how we create maps for our game, World of Warships.
First of all, we find out what we need this map for and its requirements.
For example, the requirements might include a battle type this map is to be designed for.
In general, requirements are the first thing you need to know. Maps for PvE operations aren't suited for PvP.
And not every PvP map will work for clan or rank battles.
We think about what new battle types and modes will be on the new map. Next, we consider the unique gameplay features of the new map.
And finally, we think about the visual components and landmarks. Let me show you. So, landmarks are the visual features of the map, topographic marks and points of interest. For example, the Sleeping Giant map, a landmark on this map is this tower. If the map is designed for clan or rank battles, we will pay close attention to the balance. If it's made for operations, we will fully adapt it for the scenario requirements. You can easily see the difference in the map types already on the map draft. The draft is a rough prototype required to test the gameplay. On the left screen, you can see a ready PvP map. On the right screen, there's the first draft prototype. After both local and studio tests are completed, the map is sent to production.
Each map has a unique atmosphere, and the visual components play the main role in creating this atmosphere. When the map draft has passed all the test stages, the level art team headed by Vladimir Mironov set to work on it. Hi Volodya, please tell our players about how our maps are created.
When we get the draft from you, we first create a concept to understand what atmosphere the map will have, what objects and terrain there will be. After that, we get down to creating the objects themselves. When the objects are ready, we start compiling islands, and with the help of the MISCs group team, we create houses, villages, castles, big towns, and support them with decals, so that they look great and fit within their terrain. When everything is done, the map gets its final look. There can be North or South Seas, that unearthly Halloween world, or the space mode.
And then we send the map to testing. The Performance QA team checks the general performance of the map. Every map, even the most complex one, filled with many objects, should work fine for all possible configurations.
Then, the map is tested by our main QA group. They check whether everything is displayed on the map correctly.
For example, there can be trees hanging in the air,
Or ships stuck in the islands.
Simultaneously, we conduct a play test in our studio, so our colleagues can be the first to play our new map and give us their feedback.
At a certain stage, we involve our super testers, and right before the release, we have the public test, where we can gather the first statistics.
When all the checks are done, 0 hour comes, and the new map appears in the new game update.
But the work on the map doesn't end here.
The release is a very important landmark for us. After it, we start receiving data from the main server. The main source is the heat map data.
Heat maps show specific events in the battle and are recorded in a database.
This way, we identify several types of main events that are interesting to us. Where the ships sail most of all, where they receive damage, and where mass sinking occurs.
Also, we analyze how each ship type behaves on different maps, in different scenarios.
We always monitor the player feedback, and if a map has bad ratings, we can remake it completely.
The most vivid example is the Tears of the Desert map. After we remade it and put new life into it, clan and rank battles are now often played there.
Maps can be improved for the sake of balance, new game modes, or convenience of play in general.
And to make them look better too. The maps you've gotten used to can get new weather, visual components, or buildings.
We hope you found this interesting. We are Danila
And Danil.
Next time, we'll tell you about how we create game modes and AI for bots, and why we need game events.
Watch our videos and leave your comments. See you.
Bye.